Hello, good morning students. As you know, we had already started the chapter number 10, environmental pollution. Now, you know human beings to survive, they carry on with different activities. Various activities are carried on. We do many type of activities. In a way, we are harming the environment. As we discuss that these things which we do, the man-made causes pose a serious threat to the environment. Children, pollution, as you know, is a harmful substance which is in the environment. It can cause pollution to the land, it can cause pollution to the air, water, and even different causes of noise pollution too. So, we should take care that whatever we are doing for survival or for the development of the country or for the world, we should also take care of our environment. We should do things which doesn't pollute our surrounding, and then it cause epidemic or serious some diseases are caused in people suffer because they live in a polluted environment, they suffer from different diseases. Our food items or the water which we drink are polluted, which cause deformity in the growth. Okay, so all these things we should take care of. Coming to the next topic is land or soil pollution. As we discussed that how our air is polluted by smoke, dust and other things. Similarly, even the water, we throw garbage in the water, we throw the waste of factories and household waste in the water which pollute the water. So, in this way, land also gets polluted, children, isn't it? Now, land or soil gets polluted when harmful substances are released into it. As we release harmful substances, the waste in the water, it gets polluted. Same thing, we are dumping the garbage in an open area. What will happen? It will cause pollution, and it will give a bad odor everywhere, which will affect the human beings, and it will affect the animals who are living around. So we should be very careful. Even not only the household waste, the waste from the factories or industries, or even the small scale industry or cottage industry, we just openly dump it, and it causes a serious threat. As I discussed that in Gujarat, in the place we live in Bharuch, when we go to some industrial areas, because we have many industrial areas in our locality, you can difficulty to breathe in, isn't it? And when you are breathing also, you can smell the chemicals over there, or you can see the drainage system, it is all with the waste of the factories. Similarly, if you see, they are dumped the waste. Of course, in factories, as I had discussed, there will be waste, as we have waste in our household. So, these waste, if we throw it in open areas, that will create a serious threat. Then the waste from even the agricultural waste. Children, if we are burning the dry leaves, and if we are burning as I told you, the fields, okay, after the crops are harvested, that also create pollution, isn't it? And the land becomes infertile. Now, why soil is very important for us? Not only it is your surrounding is polluted, it also affects the soil. The soil becomes infertile, and as you know, soil is very important for growing of crops. So, in this way, we are harming the environment. So, soil pollution is the destruction of Earth's thin layer of healthy productive soil. As when we discussed about soil, our soil in standard food. Remember that soil is the uppermost layer which is necessary for growing of crops, and if that soil we are dumping all the waste, chemical waste or industrial waste or all the pollutants, and then the crops, where will crops grow? It will create lot of problem, infertility of the soil. Then we are also in the crops we are spraying with all insecticides and pesticides, that also harming the soil, isn't it? So all the waste, not only from our house or from factories or from the mines, you understand, mines also, they when you dig out the minerals from the soil, those waste material we dump it, that also causes pollution. And also even in the, for increasing the productivity of the crops, what the farmers do, they use lot of insecticide and pesticides, that also harm the soil. So in this way land or the soil is polluted. So we should take care that this solid waste like garbage should be thrown in a proper place. We should check that those refuse means the waste material coming from agricultural land or from the factories or from the mines should be dumped in a proper way, and pollution will make the soil infertile, and that will harm the living organisms around us. Not only it will harm the human beings, even the growth of the plants will also be affected. Even the animals around who are living on the land will be affected, isn't it? So we should take care of this certain things so that we do not cause land or soil.